Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what matters: the Windows 10 ISO and a current Virtualbox installer. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS so the VM can run 64-bit guests. Create a new VM now, name it, pick Windows and Windows 10, 64-bit, then allocate RAM, 4 GB or more, and a dynamically allocated VDI disk. Once done, attach the ISO to the VM's optical drive. This gets you from 0 to a bootable installer ready for the next stage. Start the VM and watch the Windows installer boot from the ISO. You'll choose language, time, and disk partitioning. Pick the VDI you created and proceed. After Windows installs and reaches the desktop, immediately install VirtualBox Guest Editions to get seamless mouse, drivers, and shared folders. Reboot the VM when prompted. Next, tune VM settings. Increase CPU cores and video memory for performance. Switch network to NAT or bridged as needed, and ensure storage controller type matches your virtual disk. Finish by configuring conveniences. Add shared folders, enable bidirectional clipboard, and take a snapshot so you can revert if needed. Install Windows updates and essential drivers inside the guest, plus antivirus if required, to keep the VM secure. If something breaks, the most common fixes are: confirm host virtualization is enabled, verify the ISO checksum, switch storage controller type, IDE versus SATA, and review VirtualBox logs for errors. If networking fails, toggle NAT versus bridged and reboot both host and guest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.